Coinbase NFT Marketplace tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about the new Coinbase NFT Marketplace that they recently launched, and I'm just simply going to be giving you an overview of it and how you can use it. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on their main website, nft.coinbase.com. That's domain name, but if you just simply search for Coinbase NFT, it'll pop up anyway. So yeah, it's really nice, it's really cool. So over here, as you can see, this is how the website looks like. All right, so you have a bunch of different NFT projects over here, and they have these popular creators over here, these celebrities such as Gary Vee and Paris Hilton and Dylan Francis over here. They're already over here on Coinbase, and they're creating their NFT projects as well. So it's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So currently it's in the beta form. It's not completely out yet, and I'm still not sure if I can actually go ahead and sign up and join the community. I mean, it does say that it's open for everyone, but a couple of weeks ago it wasn't. Only a few people could join it because you have to join their whitelist. So let's go ahead and see if it actually works. So if I come over here and click on sign in, I would have to use the Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet. I'm going to use the MetaMask wallet because I already have one, and I'm just simply going to enter in my password. Now, if you don't have your MetaMask wallet, what it'll do is it'll redirect you to the MetaMask website where you can create an account and install it onto your browser. It's like an extension, but it works pretty fine. So once you've entered in your password, it should be good now. So click on unlock and it should confirm your account. Just simply click on next and just simply click on connect, and it should be good to go. So now just simply sign the transaction and you are in the wallet. Then just simply come over here and pick your username and then enter in your email address and you're good to go. So I'm just simply gonna see if blob with an bloby, I think that's the word I write, so I think that's available. Now I'm just simply gonna enter in my email address, check the box, and then continue. All right, after that, just enter in your your name, your bio, upload your photo, and you're good to go. I mean, you can skip this for now, but you can do this later. So I'm gonna skip for now, and I'm gonna verify my email address, and this will be the email verification over here. Just simply click on the button and you will arrive over here. As you can see, email verified, and you are good to go. So now you are signed in and you are now ready to explore and use the platform itself. So over here you can discover NFTs. Over here, if you click over here, you will see all different types of NFTs over here. So this is doodles. Oh my god, actually I feel so stupid right now, but I should have probably listened. I received a DM on my Instagram one time from these guys. They were promoting their NFT, and they actually sent me a couple of I should have probably accepted it. I was like, whatever. Now I'm really surprised it's over here. Damn, how much is it worth? Oh wow, oh my god, I really missed out on this. Damn, like I feel so stupid right now. Oh my god. Okay, so all right, well, I'll cry about it later. Let me just show you a little bit about the platform now. Well, over here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different NFTs over here, and you can go ahead and check it out, as you can see. And then if you want to buy an NFT, just simply click on the shop icon over here, choose an NFT that you like, let's say this one, and then just simply click on buy now. Send a transaction to your wallet, and then you will have to put in that percentage of Ethereum in your wallet to actually buy the NFT. So pretty much that's how it is. And then over here you have all of your trending NFTs. So as you can see, damn, Doodle is over here on number 6. Should have listened. All right, but anyway, as you can see, these are all the trending NFT projects over here that are available on Coinbase. It's pretty simple. So now if you were wondering, as I said before, how can you create NFTs? Well, currently, as you can see, you can't create NFTs, but I'm pretty sure once it's launched its full version, then you can. Currently I think it's just limited over here. So actually, let me go into my profile over here, and over here you will see you have your created option over here. You have no create NFT created. So if you could over here, yep, that's about right. You can't create NFTs currently, but as you can see, Coinbase is a pretty popular platform. Once it's fully launched, fully ready, then you can actually create NFTs over here, and I think it would be pretty really really cool. And off the top, you can see that it's very different from OpenSea's, because OpenSea's is pretty generic. This one is really different, and it's even better, I would say. So I would highly recommend you come over here and check it out. So for like, if you are in like the early people, and you come over here, you can create a pretty cool account, and probably you can even sell your username as well, if you create a cool looking username, because currently I don't think not a lot of people know about Coinbase's NFT marketplace, but overall I think it's really cool. I mean, it also, as I said before, it's very different than OpenSea's. I mean, if they created something very similar to OpenSea's, it wouldn't make much sense, then why would anyone come over to Coinbase if it looked similar to OpenSea's? So that's why I think it's a good move that they chose a different, platform over here. So yeah, overall, I think it's really nice. It's really cool. And you can go ahead and buy different NFTs over here in your Coinbase wallet. Now, over here you basically build your community over here, as I said before. So like Gary V over here, let me check that out. So once you've created your NFTs, these are going to be your liked, believe, these are like all the NFTs that are owned by Gary V. So you can probably find out which cryptocurrencies you should invest in, because these are very popular. So oh my god, this one right here is worth 23 Ethereum. Oh wow, it's also not for sale as well. I mean, how much is this 23.33 Ethereum worth to USD? Let's check it out. Oh wow, almost $600,000, more than 600. That's a lot. Wow. So yeah, that's a pretty cool NFT, and it's really really popular. Of course, Gary Vee would have it. Who else if not Gary Vee? But anyway, as I said before, it's a pretty cool platform. It's really nice. It's really cool. Over here, as I said before, you're here to grow a community, right? So these are all the collections as well. So, I mean, you can go ahead and buy different NFTs over here, keep them over there onto your platform. And once, you've reached a certain point and you feel like you should now, be able to sell that NFT, then you can go ahead and sell it as well, I think. So I highly recommend you go ahead and check this out. It's really cool, really nice. And yeah, as I said before, currently you can't, sell any NFTs over here, but you should be able to do that soon, because currently it's in beta form right now. And as another one thing is that it's 0% Coinbase fees for a limited time. So if you come over here, you buy a NFT, right? You won't have to pay any gas fee whatsoever, which is pretty cool. This is one thing. Like on OpenSea, you have to pay gas fees, not on Coinbase. Definitely not on Coinbase. Even if it's on the Ethereum network, you definitely won't have to pay any gas fees or any other fees. So keep that in mind. I mean, it is for a limited amount of time, so you better hurry if you want to, buy some NFTs without having to pay any gas fees. Then make sure to come over here. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.